Good afternoon, Ami Marquez 18, Team The Brothers.
What's the news of Team Batang Paraiso? Short hair, don't care. Masih natin palakpakan ng Luso Team Batang Paraiso!
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Kate Ashley Kitain, 18, proudly represent Batang Paraiso.
Once again, the views of Team Batang Paraiso at Bruno Rooster! Once again, the views of Team Port Platon Rooster! Once again, the news of Team Port Platon Rooster!
A pleasant afternoon, everyone. Get ready to witness a new force in the league. This is Venom Alunas, 21, and proudly representing a team that embodies unity and strength. The team Paul Platoon!
Team Sitio Valdez! Once again, the news of Team Sitio Valdez. Once again, the views of Team Sitio Valdez.
A pleasant afternoon, everyone. My name is Kate Ashley Valencia, 19, from Team Sitio Valdez!
Team The Brothers. Team Batang Paraiso. Team Port Platon. Team Sitio Valdez. So ibabasa po natin sa sigawan ang mananalo ng Best News ngayong taon. So ang sigaw niyo po ay may malaking ambag sa pagkapanalo ng inyong news. DJ, pakihanda po ng ating intento. Ayan. So after we get to know, matapos nating malaman ang mga pangalan at makilala at makilapis ang ating mga muses, ngayon naman ay ating matutunghayan